This 2025 Grand Design Transcend 315 RKT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, awning, carbon monoxide detector, TV, microwave, slide-out, leveling jacks, air conditioning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend 315 RKT is 8,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.